Alright, welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video, I'm going to point out some very important information that I really want you to know, and I want you to keep this in the back of your head, because if you are watching my video, you are online searching for ways of making money. But before you can make money, you have to have this in your mind. You have to have this mindset. You get me? So I want you to watch this video and don't skip. If you skip away, you're going to miss very important, because I'm not going to be going over the same thing. I'm going to go really fast. All right. So if you're trying to make money using crypto, you can make millions of dollars, but you have to understand it's a game, just like a soccer game. All right. So you know how a soccer game play. You can be leading the whole entire game, or you can, and then you lose at the end, or you can be behind and just come and win at the end, or you can, that's how a game play. That's a game. All right. So I'm gonna show you something. On my screen is what we call the Shiba chart. This chart is a reminder. This chart is to remind you of how the market work and how Shiba get to where it is. All right. So you can see on the top of this chart, Shiba was at 90. Let me show you real quick. And right there, you're going to look at that right there. So Shiba was at, hold on one second. Before we go any further, let me just explain something to you. After you finish watching this chart, your whole life is gonna change. You're gonna have a different concept and a different mindset on how you gonna move forward. I'm not telling you to go buy, sell, or hold. I'm just trying to show you something. All right. So the reason why I'm making this video today is because the coin called Bunk went down with my money. Right now, I'm at 50% of what I invest in it. And to be honest with you, I rushed into that one. I did not take my time. And that's why I have what I have right now. So I'm making this video just to explain to you, don't do the same thing that I just did. I'm not worried or anything about it, but I'm just trying to show you guys, because if you are a new investor and this happened to you, you're going to be very panicked, but I'm not panicked. All right. So I'm using this chart to point it out to you. So at this moment here, let's take a look. And the next thing, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so, because I will be showing you charts like this and to give you good information so you can move forward. All right. So on this chart here, Shiba was at 90 back in August of 2020. 2020 August, Shiba was at 90. So if you went in and purchased $1,000 worth of Shiba, ready to make money because you got a lot of trillions and all that great stuff. In August, the end of August, your $1,000 would be down to $550. The same thing Bunk did to me, split my money into two. So once again, I'm just telling you, I'm just showing you the chart. I buy 200 and something dollar worth of Bunk, and now I'm at $100. So it split my money into two. Same thing would happen to you if you buy $1,000 to Shiba back in 2020 in August. By the end of August, you will be at 50% of your money. All right, now you think it was bad right there. Guess what happened? In September, you only have $1.96 left from your $1,000 that you spent. Oh, glorious is that. And you would thought you was going to be making millions of dollars, right? And look what happened to you. Now you start arguing with your wife because you messed up the rent money. Now we're going down a little bit more. For 4 consecutive months, you're still averaging $1.96. That's what you have out of the $1,000 that you tell your whole family that you was gonna double and triple, and it's gonna go crazy. You are $1.96 if you bought Shiba in 2020 for $1,000, guys. Look at the chart. But if you have faith and you didn't panic and you stayed in there, January 31st, you will be making that $1.96 would be up to $19,000. Now you can brag. Now you can tell them that they need to believe in you, because it went up back to $19,000. So your 1,000 turned into $19,000. I want you guys to comment. Tell me, what would you do if you put $1,000 into any form of platform and it turned into 19,000? Would you left it there to becomes more, or would you take it out? Be honest, guys. Don't lie. All right. February, still 19,000. It didn't even change. It just sit one place. Same thing. Same thing. Same thing. Same thing. All right. Now, I don't think I would still have the 19,000, because I would take some money out to pay the landlord, because I've been running behind. Now, in March, because you're so patient and smart, you would have 98,000. 98,000. I'm not going to even continue with the chart, guys, because this is crazy. The goal is, if you take out your money once it dipped, that's where you get messed up. That's where everything goes wrong. Right here is the breaking point. You have to understand the game. It goes up and it goes down. So, in October of 2021, this is what you'd have if you leave that money in there and just forget about it. $55,490 you'd have. You get it? I'm cutting this video short. I'm not going to go through each month, but you can see it on my screen. You can go back and watch it. And if you want the link, I can send you the link to where you can view this chart and get more information. I'm just viewing this right now on Reddit. All right. So if you buy a coin and the coin go down, that don't mean you must jump off and cry and come in line and vlog and say it's a scam and all that stuff. Everybody was saying the same thing about Shiba, that Shiba was a scam, this is a scam, when it first came out, because Dogecoin was the hot coin. Dogecoin, Cardano, all those coins was really hot back then when Shiba first came out. So people thought this was a scam, and it just keep going and going and going and going and going. But before it goes crazy like that, it went down. It go down and then it go back up. You get me? So say that I'm going to just show you my favorite coin here that does the same thing. Most of these coins, once they hit the platform, they spike and then they go back down and then they rise again. So you have to have an understanding. You have to know to weather the storm, guy. You have to stay on the boat. It's going to rock like it's going to turn over, but you're going to have to find somewhere to hold on. You understand me? So right now, let's see if I can go into one of these coins that does that type of stuff. Alright, so for instance, we're going to go to TikToken. TikToken, I like the project. That's just me. I'm not telling you to go buy it or anything, but I like the project personally. Alright, so you know what they do? They trying to fund social media influencers. That's what they're about. But if we look at when they first came on the scene here and Bitmarked, they was at 5 cents, guys, right there, 5 cents. That's where they started out at. And right now they're down to 10, 0, and a 3. That means you can buy 1 trillion of this kind for $39. Oh my. So you see what I'm talking about? So if you buy it when it was at 5 cents, your $1,000 would be down to $39 right now. The same thing happened to SHIB. That's why I use that SHIB chart first to show you what's going on. So this is when it first came on the scene right here, and this is where it's at right now. Right here. This is where it's at right now. All the way down here. It went down. Down. You see? So it went all the way down. All the way down, guys. See what I'm talking about? But you're going to have to decide if you're going to jump off or you're going to stay on. If you jump off, you may lose because you're already losing. So might as well you just stay on there. But look at the volume. You have to continue to look at the volume. The volume is really, really great. There's many more coins that I can show you that they came out really high and they went down, and then you never know what's going to happen. Q2, let's take a look at that coin. Is a nice project too. I haven't looked at it for a while. Came up very high. It was at 50 cents here. See, 50 cents, and now we're down to 3.08 cents. All right, even the NEPT. If you look at NEPT, I'm gonna find it here. Where is it? NEPT came out very high, guys, and it went all the way back down. I'm gonna show you a great coin. I'm gonna show you something that you're gonna wonder. Let's take a look at NEPT. NEPT was at 57 cents also, back down to 3 zeros. So they came out high and they go down low. That happened with most coins. So this is just to show you what happened. There's a coin called I want to show you a coin that's a really ridiculous coin. I'm gonna show you something here. Where is it? Let me just type it in, because I think I know it by name. It called BitBoy. You're gonna see something crazy in this coin. Take a look at this coin. Alright, this coin came out at $20, whopping $20, guys. $20 right there. And this was back in October of 2022. $20. Just imagine you see this coin for $20, jump on it, and it went down right here to $5, and then it went back up to $10. $10, $5, $5, $10, $20. So it went down, went back up. So when it goes down to $5, you jump on it. It went up to $10. You was happy. Thought it was gonna go crazy. Now it's down to 2-0 and a 1. Who know what's gonna happen to it? The volume is very weak. So the volume is not doing anything. Is $1,000 per day is averaging. This kind should be doing better than that in terms of volume if you're gonna go crazy. I'm not telling you to go buy, sell, or hold or anything. I'm just telling you what I know about these volumes and how I feel about the project. Alright, so do your own research. If it's something that you want to invest in, that's up to you. Alright, now I'm just showing you how they came out high and they go down low and they may skyrocket again. Now let's take a look at one more coin and then we're gonna close this video out. Okay, let's see. Let's look at something great. All right, even in for instance, we can look at let's look at Shinja. I haven't looked at Shinja for a while because it should be going great right now. That's one of my kind that I have on my watch list. Alright, so it's doing good. So the V2, once the V2 came out at 3.0 and a 2, and everything goes downhill from there. Once a coin came out, it's gonna come high and then it go down. But now look at what happened. It's going back up now. So this may be your rocket right here. This is going right up back at this moment here. So we back up to the 3 zeros and a 1. Now look at the volume. You see the volume? You see the reason why you need to watch the volume? The volume is at 586K, guys. Meaning that this is gonna go crazy. Because money is there. They're just doing their corrections. And once the correction is over, then they will go ahead and launch everything. And it may go to 2.0. It may go to 1 cent. So this coin is a great coin to have 1 million of. Just a million. And I'm going to tell you why. A matter of fact, 4 million would be great. But 1 million is still good. So say 4 million. Alright, 4 million coin would cost you $531. But look at this. If you run to 25 cents, I'm going to show you how much money you're going to have. $1 million. If this kind go crazy and go to 25 cents, you have $1 million after you just spent $531. Alright? So you see what I'm talking about right now. 1 million right there. So if you spend 500 right now, you have a great chance to reach $1 million if it goes to 25 cents. So if you want to beat the traffic, if you want to get there before everyone else, it will be better for you to double your chances. So if you put 8 million when it was 2 zeros and a 1, it would be $1,062. And then if it goes to 13 cents, guys, you should be in the millions. All right, 13 cents, you'll be at $1 million. So you beat the traffic, because a lot of people are estimating this kind to go to $1 before they make a million. Remember, if you buy only 1 million, you have to wait for it to go to $1 before you make $1 million. But if you want to beat the traffic, you get 8 million. If you want to beat the traffic more, you just go ahead and get 16 million. 16 million will put you at $1 million if you get to 8 cents. 8 cents, you would have $1 million. Even 7 cents, you should be fine. 7 cents, you have $1 million. If you beat the traffic and get 16 million right now, any coin that's have 3 zeros right now, if you get 16 million of it, you can beat the traffic at 7 cents. You'll be at $1 million, guys. Is that helpful? If that's helpful, hit the subscriber button, guys. Like, share, comment. Tell me what you feel. This coin can make you a lot of money. Take a look at the project. Similar to Gala. Gala is a great coin. If you want to take a look at Gala, take a look at it. They both into gaming. And coins that's into gaming like this are very, very good coins. So once again, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. You know what to do. And then let me know if you need anything in the comment section, or if I miss anything, or if there is anything that I said that was incorrect. All right, all comments are welcome. Have a great day. Thank you very much for watching.